Today we're going to talk about fluent reading. There are certain characteristics that a good reader does when they read out loud. First of all, they articulate each word clearly. That means they pronounce each word very clearly so everyone can understand. They also emphasize key words. So there are certain words that are more important than others in a sentence, and they put more emphasis on those words. A fluent reader also will phrase the text into appropriate chunks or phrases. So they group certain parts of the text and read them together. A fluent reader can also dramatically pause at certain points in the passage to add emphasis on that section. And finally, a fluent reader raises and lowers their voice as appropriate. You know that for question sentences, your voice goes up at the end of it. And for statements, your voice may go down or stay the same. A fluent reader also doesn't read the whole passage all at the same speed. Sometimes they'll speed up or they'll slow down if they need to stress a point. Okay, now I want you to listen to me read this passage by Sarah Teasdale called The Sea Wind. And I want you to listen for these different characteristics of fluent reading that we just went over. I am a pool in a peaceful place. I greet the sky face to face. I know the stars and the stately moon and the wind that runs with rippling shoon. But why does it always bring to me the far-off beautiful sound of the sea? The marsh grass weaves me a wall of green, but the wind comes whispering in between. In the dead of night, when the sky is deep, the wind comes waking me out of sleep. Why does it always bring to me the far-off terrible call of the sea?